I've always loved the night time. Maybe it's because of the beautiful night sky or the uninterrupted quiet time. I like to enjoy my evenings with a cup of black tea and some skin pampering. Well, unwinding after a long day of work is a prerequisite for me. Once I'm all prepped with cleansing, I love using the INNISFREE Black Tea Youth Enhancing Ampoule Mist. Introducing the star product, which is INNISFREE Black Tea Youth Enhancing Ampoule. To maximize the effectiveness of this ampoule, I'm going to focus on facial massage. Take a pea-sized amount of the eye serum and with index, middle and ring finger press the under eye area for 3 seconds. Then press the ends and the temples.